Hello everyone, what's up? Today I am in Canmore town, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the Canmore walking tour in this beautiful summer weather. And the local time in Canmore is 3:30 p.m. and the temperature is pretty good. It's 21 degrees Celsius and it's Thursday 21st August 2025, and let's start the walk. And I just start my walking tour from the Canmore downtown main street. And whenever I just arrived here, I like it's a different vibe here. Everywhere is mountain and people are here is so calm and so friendly. You can see people are chilling here, enjoy the sunshine and the weather, and obviously the awesome food here. The vibe in this Canmore is so awesome. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. And also you can become a member of my channel and you can support me in thanks button as well. Wow. Here in this intersection, they made something here with the stone, historical. And here is the Canmore clock tower. On the way you can see the Three Sister mountain, and there is a famous like a grocery here in Canmore. I think it's Rusticana. Rusticana grocery is a very old grocery in Canmore town. It's so beautiful here. It's so beautiful. It's because of the weekdays maybe that there is not that much people, but that's the best part. If there is too many people, it's very hard to find a parking space here to sit. There is no space in the restaurant, and everywhere is so much people. It's just amazing here in the weekdays. And this is the Canmore hostel. Is like the most oldest hostel in Canmore. I think it's more than 100 years old here.
That was the shot, bud. All right.
And the intersection I'm standing here, it's Main Street, 8 Main Street is 8th Street and 7th Avenue. I just can't explain the vibe here. I think I'm talking too much now. So just enjoy the view and the nature sound. I'll stop here. there is some exhibition going on. There is a Harlan gallery here. Sorry, I don't have my glass. Literally, I'm struggling to read the name. Sorry about the name if I pronounce wrong. So there is a exhibition going here. And can you believe, guys, it's only like a 1 hour, and mostly it's 1 hour if you drive from the city center. Is 1 hour and 20 minutes drive from Calgary. That much close. And how much blessed we Calgarian that we have the most beautiful town. And there is another exhibition is going here. Hey, look at this beer here. That's nice. And this year Canmore town, I see pretty much every year. I came here like twice or thrice in a year. Obviously summer, fall and winter, but this year I can see Canmore town looks so pretty, like prettier than the last previous years. They maintain and they decorate the town is very beautifully. I wish I can show you some famous store like this one, but I don't have the appointment with them, so they might not be allow me here. So whenever you go, wherever you go, which side ever you go, it's all mountain you can see. And right now I am at the Mara's Way. I think it's the 6th Avenue. And up to here it was closed for the public transit, but from here they opened the public transit from here, so I have to take this sidewalk. Maybe because of the tree and some shop, my mountain view somewhere is covered, but it's nice. I can show you the pathway and the shops and the patio life here. Still I'm talking too much. I'm so sorry. I'm just enjoying the walking and the way I enjoying. I'm just describing you guys. Look at this, the tree leaf is already turning yellow. And I also noticed in the Calgary as well, I have a very a big tree in front of my balcony is just turning yellow. Fall is almost here. I can't believe the summer. We have some few days left in summer. God, there is the long winter is coming again. And this is the way. There are so many like lodge, cottage and hotel inside this way, and the other way is the Canmore boardwalk, famous boardwalk. It's the very like a well-known like a thing, the big hat here in Canmore town. I will show you a little bit the boardwalk site. This is the way, the starting point of the boardwalk. All the ways, I think it's 20 to 25 minutes boardwalk, and very, very nice. Really, it's really nice. Whenever I drive here, I saw there is a like a farmers market going on in this Canmore thing. There are all the vendors coming from BC and somewhere everywhere from Alberta as well. Let's check out. I can't wait. What is this? What's a tattoo shop? Might be the video a little long, but I'm sure that you will enjoy the video. Because I'm walking the most expensive place in Canada. Yeah, whenever you Google it, you can see the most expensive house you can find in Canmore, because of the like all the mountains here, and it's very close to Calgary as well. I'm going on this center. The sky is so clear. Oh, I need to cross the road. There is no signal I can see. Oh, all the way over there, there is a signal. here, the Three Sister view from here, from the parking lot. How lucky the Canmore people. They wake up and this view. So here is the crossing. Just cross the road and let's enter this farmers market fair here. I'm so excited. Every time you guys see the big city farmers market, and now it's all over here is a mountain, and in between the mountain you can see the vibe. I loved it. Is all fresh fruits and vegetables. I need to check out this one. Oh, that's a very like a big market here.